Hello everyone, my name is Karen Dayana Delgado Melo. In this short video, I am going to present to you some very interesting points that you must know to visit the Roman Colosseum. First of, first of all, um, the Colosseum in Rome is the largest amphitheater in the world, which began to be built in year 70 AD during the reign of Emperor Vespasian and was completed in year 80 AD by Emperor Titus. Upon completion of his construction for its inauguration, the largest celebration of all time was held. The celebration lasted 100 days, and among the shows and events that took place at the inauguration were Venetians, that is game with animals such as hunting and fighting the most exotic animals in Rome. Munera means gladiatorial fights and the reenactment of famous battles. And finally, the execution of criminals also took place. Similarly, the Roman Colosseum in 476 AD became a quarry from which material was extracted for the construction of new buildings. And in the 17th century, it was declared a sanctuary by Pope Benedict XIV, since it was believed that it placed many deceased Christian martyrs. Furthermore, the Roman Colosseum was also used at one time as a Christian castle and temple. And in 1980 it was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO and is considered one of the seven wonders of the world. So don't miss the opportunity to visit and get to know this spectacular place. Another curious fact that you should know is that inside the Rome Colosseum you can find a total of 80 entrance doors, of which 76 were for use by the general public, and the other four were built in each of the four cardinal points. Important dignitaries used the south and north entrance, and the east and west entrance were reserved for gladiators when they entered the arena. Another interesting place to note inside the Colosseum is the Hypogeum, a kind of cellar under the arena, similar to used elevator for the confinement of wild animals and for the warm-up of gladiators. This war was carried out by Dionysius around the year 90 AD. Currently, the Roman Colosseum every year attracts millions of travelers from the world waiting to discover up close a monument that hides 1,001 secrets among its stones. I also recommend that you visit this wonderful place because no trip to Rome is complete if you had not seen the Rome Colosseum. So come, take advantage and enjoy. Thank you so much.